Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our channel Gadget Guide Pro. Today we are reviewing two unique gadgets. So let's go. The Divoom Ditoo, a unique retro style Bluetooth speaker that's packed with features. Let's dive in and see what make it special. The Ditoo boasts a silk retro design with a mini keyboard and 16 by 16 pixel art display. But it is not just a pretty face, it is also an alarm clock, internet radio, music visualizer and retro game console. With 10 watts high performance deliver and DSP bass boosts, the D2 deliver impressive sound quality with no detraction even at maximum volume. Enjoy basic game like Pixel Racer and Snake and customize the display with your own pixel art. Animation and scrolling text message using the Divoom app. The Divoom Ditoo, a visualizer captivity features packed Bluetooth speaker that's well worth the money, perfect for retro gaming and music enthusiasts. It's great desk accessory and gift idea. The second unique gadget, the Divoom Pixoo16, a pixel digital art clock that's taking the world by storm. The Pixoo16 boasts a sleek modern design with 16 by 16 LED panel, capable of showering 16 million RGB colors. It's not just a clock, but also an alarm clock, scheduler, message borders, and a way to mark special occasions. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the Pixoo16 remotely, sending animation and adjust display real-time counter display anytime, anywhere. Dedicated Divoom app also allow you to customize display with your pixel art, animation, and scrolling text message. Divoom Pixoo allow you can unleash your creativity with personalized pixel artist. With the Divoom app, you can select or craft your animation, text, and pattern, making it a unique and thoughtful gift for anyone. The Divoom Pixoo is a game-changing digital clock that's perfect for anyone who loves technology, art, and innovation. With its sleek design, Wi-Fi connectivity, and endless customization option, it's must-have for any home, office, or gaming room. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more unique gadgets.